Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Friday, November 9th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude oil fell as producers in the North Sea began resuming output after a storm and traders speculated U.S. demand may wane. Crude oil is trading at $96.32 per barrel on the NYMEX. Meanwhile, natural gas is trading at $7.86 per million British thermal units. Gold fell for the first time in more than a week after crude oil's drop from a record and the euro's rally against the dollar stalled, reducing the appeal of precious metals as an alternative investment. Gold is trading at $836.80 per ounce. Silver is also down at $15.54 an ounce. Today we're joined by Bobby Firestone from Alaron. Bobby, how does the energy market look as we head into the weekend?
Well, it's Friday of a week that I'm sure many people would like to forget. Now, we've seen it's earlier this week we saw what looked like was going to be the final push to try and hit $100 a barrel crude. And so far we failed off of that point. Now, since it's Friday, I'm actually kind of looking to see if we're going to have a late day rally for people who don't want to be short going over the weekend, but I don't expect it to be near the magnitude we've seen in some recent weeks. The storm has passed through the northern Europe, so looks like that's going to be coming back online shortly. So overall, I think the picture here is looking to me that we're going to see a hard time seeing that triple-digit crude. Now, the other thing I have been noticing, and this is generally what I find to be a very counter-trend indicator, is when you see the national media and the local media start talking about high energy prices, it's usually a sign that we're near a top. And in the last 2 days, I've seen all the stories I was really expecting to see about $10 a barrel ago in crude. So I think there's a good possibility we're near the top. And otherwise, I think you have to kind of be very careful trading up here. If it does have a correction to the downside, it could be very swift, very powerful. I am looking at a near-term support of about 94. So as long as we stay above 94, I think it's going to be pretty steady until we get a major news shock one way or the other.
Thanks, Bobby. That was Bobby Firestone from Alaron. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again for another update right here on etvFutures.com.